Action.
Hi, I'm Cindy Brast, entomologist, blogger, scientific editor, and friend of the San Juan Preservation Trust. When I first moved to the islands, someone called me and asked me to come over and take a look at a deer they'd harvested because according to them it was covered in ticks. Well, it sure looked frightful and poor deer, right? But those weren't ticks. Those were the same little bug that you see here, which is actually a fly. That's right, a fly. These are weird little dorsoventrally flattened bugs. Dorsoventral is science speak, and the best way for me to explain it is these bugs are pancake flat, like they've been stepped on. This fly is in the family Hippoboscidae, commonly referred to as the Deer Ked, kedfly, or louse fly. Its scientific name is Lipotina depressa. It is an ectoparasite. This species is found on our native black-tailed deer, but other species of louse flies are parasitic on bats, birds, and other mammals. You might be a bit freaked out if one of these landed on you if you're out hiking one of San Juan Island's beautiful preserves, but maybe less so when I tell you why this insect is so cool. The Hippoboscidae fly life cycle is extraordinary. It all begins in the soil where a fly pupa has been waiting in the substrate for the right time to emerge. The kedfly uses a weird inflatable hammer called a talinum in its head to burst itself out of its pupal case, and then the hammer deflates and folds right back into the head. Amazing. The newly emerged fly wakes up thirsty, and once its wings are dry, it flies off in search of food or something to drink, deer blood. Once a host is found, the fly loses its wings and begins to feed. It finds happy hour at the deer blood bar to be a great hookup spot, and soon finds a mate. Hi there. For the deer, however, this feeding mating frenzy is no party. Unlike ticks, not only can the Hippoboscid flies crawl around the animal very fast, but their piercing, sucking mouth parts deliver bites that cause the animal extreme discomfort, and this is why you see the deer fervently grooming each other in the fall. The blood-boozed flies will mate on the host, and each fertilized female will develop an egg in her body. Only one egg, a single solitary offspring. The bizarre part is she doesn't lay the egg, but retains it in her body, where it hatches in her insect uterus. And there she feeds the larvae with specialized milk glands. When larval development is complete, she larvaposits her offspring, meaning she deposits a living larva instead of an egg. The larva falls to the ground where it will pupate in the soil. Typically here in the islands, I see newly emerged adult flies in the very late summer through the fall. Don't they look like miniature bodybuilders with their stout little bodies and muscled appendages? I think they're cute and hope you'll find them a bit endearing too. Happy fall from San Juan Island. The end. Oh, cheers, y'all.